take this tree down. I think about a 50-foot tree. But the problem is I can't drop it because I got my water tank there. This tree here, which kind of actually bows out. So it's like right in the line of it. And then obviously the house and this fence. Power lines over there. So I cut it a little bit right there underneath the strap. And I'm hoping to use a bobcat to pull half of it, or at least, yeah, a little bit more than half of it down. I don't think I have the strap high enough. I might need to cut it lower. We'll see. All right, I cut it more here, so hopefully it falls in that direction. If it hits the fence, I really don't care because it's a crap anyways and I need to replace it. Just don't want to hit the house. Well, that was super lucky. Well, that was scary. Should have had the idle set higher on the bobcat, but it came down and it landed on the tree and not the house, so I'm okay. I just hate these trees because of where they are. I had a tree over there that I just cut down. I had two huge ones here, which are gone. I got those out of here. We're debating on taking that one out. There was one, two, right where that fence is open to the left, and there was one right here next to the fence on the right next to it on the left. But this one is just, it doesn't have any benefit to the house besides falling on it and maybe getting a remodel or something, but either way it's just useless tree. And so is this one. This one, it has no shade. So I'm gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna make this yard look really nice with some redwood trees and a bunch of rocks and something else. I'll figure it out once this fence is done. This fence is shot, it's fallen over. I'm gonna do a nice redwood fence here. And it's gonna be 2 feet higher, so you'll barely be able to see the light on that house. Well, that garage. Now I'm gonna get to this tree. I'm gonna cut at the base and I'm gonna pull it with the bobcat. This time I'm gonna pull it a little faster so it falls better. Because I don't want it to go any other way. Because I got the water pump here, or the well, and at the pool, concrete, and then the house obviously. So we'll see what happens. All right, I got a mouth cut in it. Strapped up. Hopefully ready not to damage anything. Chainsaw out of the way and break it somehow. I'll try this, see what happens. Didn't damage it. It's just this little branch. So that's whatever. Feel like it should. I didn't cut it enough, I don't think. But it fell. I should have cut this more straight because it's at an angle. But I hit a water line. This property has just water lines everywhere. Like everything if I dig somewhere, I hit a water line like this here. I have no idea what the hell is in here. But now I gotta dig it out and figure it out. Alright, it looks like I found the problem. Like I said before, there's just irrigation all over here, and I was careful not to hit that one, but ended up hitting what I think is this, because this was an existing pipe here, and they capped it at some point, but this must have been sitting here. So as I drove over the dirt, it pushed this down and snapped the pipe. I didn't have any of that pipe, so now I gotta go get some. I broke a 2-inch main yesterday. There's just water pipes everywhere here. There's some over there, there's here, I found one over there. There's just all over this property. It sucks. So I'm always breaking a pipe somewhere in the middle of nowhere out here. Alright, time to fix this then.